Hi, my name is Sydney Lorraine Vance, and I'm going to show you how to use the Monument Jack Extra with the monument blocks. First thing, you're just going to take the Monument Jack and place it right up next to the headstone and push it into the ground as far as you can. Then you take the monument blocks and just place it right up next to the headstone, and you're ready to lift it up. If you need a little bit of extra leverage, you can use the extension bar, which is made specifically for the Monument Jack Extra. Then you just pull down and push the monument blocks right underneath, and the first side has been raised. You do the same thing on the other side. Take the Monument Jack Extra, place it next to the headstone, and push it into the ground. Then you take the monument blocks, again, place them right next to the headstone, and you're ready to lift it up. Pull down. Pull down. Take the monument blocks underneath, and your headstone has been raised. If a woman can do it, certainly any man can.